What will happen to your home in a divorce? One of the most important assets that will have to be divided in a divorce in most households is the family home. Here are 3 ways to handle your home in a divorce. Number 1, sell your home and split the profits. You can sell your home and split the profits with your spouse. Parties usually choose this option when neither spouse wants the home or neither spouse can afford the home on their own. This would take place prior to the divorce being finalized. Number 2, buy out your spouse's interest in the home. Oftentimes, the primary caregiver will want to keep the home because they like the home or because the children like the home. Perhaps they do not want to uproot their children's lives. One spouse can buy out the other spouse. The buyout can be handled through future cash payments, pulled from a retirement account, or be offset by awarding the other spouse an asset equal to his or her interest in the home. Number 3, you can co-own the home. Perhaps neither selling the home nor a buyout makes sense. You can make arrangements to co-own the home. In fact, I've had clients who kept the home for their children, and they each had their own separate living arrangements. When it was their time to have the children, they would actually stay in the home. Thus, the children always stayed in the home and did not have to move around. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.